Well guys, it's Florida Day and we just caught a glass elevator. We're gonna head down to the gangway, get off the boat. We booked a transfer over to Coco Cay.
Down? Are you going down, Mommy?
Yes, we're going down. So I figured you guys might want to join us. So we're on the bus on the way to Cocoa Beach and we're at the traffic light, which I didn't realize traffic lights in Florida take forever. It's kind of a gray, cloudy day to go hang out at a beach, but we'll make the best of it. All right, so we're walking to Ron John's now. The shuttle took about 15 minutes to get over there, mostly because of that stupidly long traffic light. And this is about the same area that we did a pontoon boat tour last year. And here's Ron John's over here. I thought for some reason that it would be way closer to the beach than this, but I mean, it's pretty close. The beach is right over there. Sorry if it's windy. It's always windy in Florida, I guess. All right, we're on the sidewalk in front of Ron John now. And we're gonna go in and check out Ron John. Overall, the transfer getting here was very smooth, I would say. Look at all the fox gear they've got here. Looks good. Here's all the bathing suits and everything. I like this one. It's got like skullfish all over it. Somehow I thought this place would be like even bigger than this. And I did see something across the street that might be part of the complex. So I'll have to go over there and look maybe. So cool, all the real surfboards they have up there along the balcony. Here's the glass elevator. And it's close to December, so they've got all their Christmas trees up and everything. Oh, and what's this over here? There's a little pond back here. But it's like so covered in stuff you can't even see it. There's an unbelievably large selection of sunglasses in this place. Try those on.
I think these are men's.
Oh. All right, well here, let's see how they look on me now. You hold the camera, and I'll try them on right now.
I think they might be too small for you.
Oh, I can see myself in the mirror. They're a little small, but...
You think Daddy would look cool in those? Go ahead.
They're a little small, but I think they look good.
Try them on for... Yes, he does look cool in those.
I feel like, I felt like Men in Black in these. Like, look at the tip of my thing, the neuralizer. So my wife was having a hard time finding the women's section, but we found it. It's over here. They got some dudes surfing on the TV up there. And then over here, they have another waterfall thing. I love the theming in here. It's really awesome. Love the ambiance of the running water. From over here, you can get a pretty good perspective on just how huge the store is. There's an atrium on that side and an atrium on this side. And over here, they give you the whole story. It says it was 1959 on the New Jersey shore. Ron Demenia, hope I said that right, was just discovering the sport of surfing with fiberglass surfboards. This is the actual flagship store, according to the story. And the surf shop in New Jersey opened in 1961. And the story goes on and on. You can read it if you really want. All right, off to check out the second floor. Where's the buttons? Right there. And we get a view of this really cool waterfall thing I showed you guys earlier. Again, I love the theming in this store.
Is there chili on this?
Oh, look at that backpack. That's ballin'. So yeah, all the kid stuff is up here. You got a fabulous view of the downstairs. Wonder if this place is ever flooded from like a hurricane or something. So yeah, basically this is a shopper's paradise, and I was just about to say, where the heck are the bathrooms in this place? Well, there's your sign, 2nd floor, right off the elevator, and then a left. Before coming here, I had no idea how much a surfboard costs. $609 for a 6'10", $569 for a 6-footer. So an extra 10 inches will cost you, what, almost $40 more? Yeah, $40 more. Look at all these surfboards. I mean, this is like the pinnacle of the whole store. Got some paddles over here. Oh my god, what are those? Are those kayaks? No, those are paddle boards. I think these are standing paddle boards. And they're like $600-700, so about the same as a fiberglass surfboard. Here's the view out front. They've got a sculpture. Looks like it's made out of sand. And there's a Winn-Dixie right across the street if you're feeling hungry after your session. All right, we just got out of the Ron Jon surf shop. My get the heck out of this retail store was tingling. So now we're gonna go to the beach. It'll be my first time at the beach in Florida. So yeah, let's go check it out.
Wait, babe, stop.
All right, so we walked like 2 blocks from the surf shop and we found this random Alan Shepard Park, I guess you call this. I was just gonna say random place. And here's a ramp up to the beach. Very convenient when you have a stroller. So yeah, this would be my first time touching sand in Florida. Oh, look, there's another cruise ship coming in.
Yes, we have to go find a bathroom so that they can go change. Okay?
It looks like New Jersey, but with a cleaner ocean.
The sand is different.
Let's see how the sand feels. Oh, the sand is it's very similar to Jersey, but
I think it feels different.
maybe a little softer feeling. Yeah, it might be a little softer feeling. I don't know. So we're back on the bus now. I thought I had enough time to go to CVS, and I did. I barely made it, but I made it. And oh god, wow, it's bumpy. That's the parking lot we were just in, really close to Ron Jon's. So overall, $16, a little bit pricey, but not bad. It gets you right where you need to go. And you know, I showed you guys Ron Jon's surf shop and the beach, and that's kind of the majority of the major things around here. There was a really cool looking bar up the street that I didn't really get to check out, but like it had a rooftop deck. But overall, I'd recommend this transfer to Cocoa Beach and Ron Jon. Oh god, as I get tossed around. Anyway, give the video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, and we'll see you in the next one.